If your body looks lean but your face still looks puffy, this is for you. Because here's the truth most people don't tell you. You're not actually fat. Your face is just holding water and inflammation. Mainstream fitness advice tells you to just do more cardio and drink a gallon of water. But they are entirely missing the actual biological trigger. You're not holding on to the fat. Your facial tissue is hoarding water. I used to deal with this too. Waking up with a swollen, tired face that didn't match how lean I actually was. In fact, I used to hide from pictures because of this exact issue until I applied this specific protocol. Once you understand what's really causing it, you can fix it fast. The hidden sodium imbalance. You think salt is the enemy, but salt alone isn't the problem. The real issue is processed food containing hidden sodium in sauces, deli meats, and energy drinks that traps water directly in your facial tissue. Your body works on balance. Too much sodium without potassium causes your body to hold water, making your face look puffy. So instead of just cutting salt, you need to aggressively balance the ratio by introducing potassium-dense foods like avocados, bananas, and coconut water into your meals to flush that retained water out by morning. The muscle hypertrophy trap. This is something most people completely ignore. Right now, swallow your saliva, pay close attention to what just moved. Did your cheeks move a lot or suck inward and tense up? If your face is physically squeezing to push saliva or food down, you are overworking your buccinator muscles. You are literally building muscle outward, making your lower face appear wider and bloated over time. The way you handle this is to practice swallowing using only your tongue, keeping your cheek muscles entirely relaxed. The posture lymphatic connection. You might think resting your head forward while scrolling your phone is just a bad habit, but this forward neck posture literally pinches and blocks the lymphatic drainage nodes located right under your jaw. Because of this, bodily fluid pools in your face instead of draining downward naturally. You can fix this immediately by imagining a string pulling the crown of your head directly upward. Push your chest out and pull your shoulders back. This single adjustment allows the fluid to drain and shifts how angular your face looks in seconds. Chronic dehydration. This sounds backward. You're bloated, but you're actually dehydrated. When your body doesn't get enough water, it panics and holds onto every drop, especially in your face. That's why your face often looks worst in the morning. So rather than drinking randomly, make sure you're spreading your intake out through the day. Avoid drinking a full liter at night and nothing all day. Instead, stay consistent and watch what happens to your jawline within 48 hours. Hidden inflammation, food sensitivity. You might be eating something every day that your body doesn't like, usually milk, gluten, or junk oils. Your body doesn't always react with stomach pain. Sometimes it shows up as a soft jawline and a tired look. To test this, try removing one suspected food for 3 to 5 days. If your face suddenly looks sharper in the morning, you've found the trigger. Alcohol and sugar, silent destroyers. You might be doing everything else right, but these two will ruin your progress. Alcohol dehydrates you, forcing water retention, while sugar spikes insulin and increases inflammation. Both lead to a bloated face. The reality is, even cutting these for just a few days makes a visible difference you can see in the mirror. Shedding a puffy face isn't just about looking better in your selfies. It is about taking absolute control over your internal health, mastering your daily discipline, and shedding the physical markers of laziness. When you fix these habits, your face sharpens and your masculine confidence transforms. You look more awake, more disciplined, and more in control. Don't stop at your face. If height or hair is still holding you back, fix that next. Choose what's limiting you most and handle it.